Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be talking about Vaseline lip products. For some reason, I bought both of the original lip therapy that they have. I believe this is the one that they came out first, and then after that they came up with this version. Let's start with like how much I absolutely do love Vaseline in general. I just love my Petroleum. I love the original one. I've not tried the small tube, the lip therapy one, the one in like the small tube one, like the pink one and the coconut one and stuff like that. I've not tried that out. I don't want that. If I'm gonna buy them in tube like that, I'm gonna buy just the Petroleum one, just pure Petroleum. Love this very much. But also, if you know Petroleum, they are not something that you should use alone. It's always recommended to use something before first and then only apply your Vaseline on top. This is because Petroleum is an occlusive ingredient, if I'm saying this correctly. This also means that if, let's say, your skin is dry to begin with, which it's just gonna make things worse basically, like because there's nothing can go in, there's no moisture can go in, and at the same time your skin is already dry, your skin is just gonna continue being dry. It's actually kind of worse. So you should use like a hydrating, at least a toner or a moisturizer, whatever it is first, and then after that use Vaseline or Petroleum as like a finisher kind of skincare. That's why they have this thing called slugging as well. But you don't really have to use that much, to be honest. Just use a little bit just to have that additional like layer on the surface of your skin to kind of make sure that you do not lose all the goodness that you have just applied on your skin with all your toner, essence, and also moisturizer. Okay, so I still do use this on my face at night, especially when I really do have peeling and dry skin. I still do that slugging method, but minimally, not in a very heavy, crazy looking thing that you see on social all the time. It's the same shit goes for your lips. If let's say your lips is already dry to begin with, I definitely did a mistake before, dry, and then I just apply Vaseline on top. It doesn't do anything really. It doesn't really heal the lips. It's just the feeling of something on your lips that makes you feel like at least it's not dry now, you know. But for a long-term kind of thing, you need something else other than just Petroleum. So that's why you have the lip product. The first one that I try is definitely the Vaseline Lip Therapy Original. This one is in stick form. I really like this. I feel like the packaging is good and twisted. It's actually quite nice. Like it's a good amount for a good price, and it doesn't melt. In Malaysian weather, if it's like super hot out there, it doesn't melt like crazy. So it's very stable as a stick, which is fantastic. But at the same time, it's also very easy to glide on the lips. It doesn't have much scent other than a Petroleum smell, other than regular Vaseline smell, and it doesn't have any color on this, so I could just use this anytime I want, during the day, during the night. And this one, it comes with some good ingredients that definitely will help you to heal your lips or even moisturize your lips. It has like castor oil, shea butter in here, panthenol as well, beeswax. To be honest, it's pretty common lip balm ingredients that should be in lip balm to help with your lips. Personally, I think the stick one is definitely very convenient to use, very easy to use. It's not oily, it's definitely more balmy. Like when you apply on, it doesn't melt into the oil kind of shit. It doesn't give you too much of that glossy look, just the balmy look. It's a very good clear lip balm. It's quite worth your money. Now, if you're wondering, oh, maybe I like something that's a little bit more of a consistency, is a little bit thinner, not as thick as a balm. I want it to be more of a I don't know, what do you even call this, like liquid form? Let me just tell you first that this is actually not the same thing. This too is not the same thing at all. It's so different. I am so pissed when I bought this. It just says that our Vaseline Lip Therapy Original Lip Balm locks in moisture and instantly soften and soothe dry lips. The price of this is so expensive. It is about the same price as the stick one for sure, but if you see the ingredients, holy crap, how dare they? There's only two ingredients. One is Petroleum and the other one is perfume. How dare they just put in two ingredients and then sell it as like a lip product? Your perfume is not gonna help you with moisturization. It's not gonna help you with healing of your lips. In fact, if anything, if your lips is already cracking and it's not doing very well or sensitive, you should be avoiding perfume or fragrance in your lip product if you can. And then as I mentioned, Petroleum itself, on its own, it doesn't doesn't do anything. So this is legit just a freaking waste of money as a lip balm. It's ridiculous. Just with 2 ingredients, and they sell it double the price of this. There's like 50 ml in here, and this freaking Vaseline tube one is only 10 gram, and it's double the price. Holy crap. Sometimes even more. This I could get like 4 ringgit. Sometimes if it's on discount, normal price is around 5-6 ringgit. I can't. I just cannot. I just have so much beef with this. Like at first I thought, yeah, that'd be great, you know, if they come up with this, just petrolatum, pure petrolatum, in like a tube form, so that I can like travel with it, bring it around. Whenever I need like a petrolatum product, then I can just like, instead of needing to bring this whole tube, which is can be quite ugly and a little bit not sanitary because like you gotta dig your fingers in, it would be nice to have something like this, but just the pure petrolatum. But these people, they decided to put perfume in this, just making it not super usable or not super friendly for other parts of your face. I have sensitive skin. I'm a little bit more wary about perfume. It's definitely just a little bit more liquidy as compared to the cup one for sure. This one has a little bit more oily finish as compared to the stick one as well. The stick lip balm has more balmy finish, doesn't feel very oily on the skin. To be honest, I'm not mad at the scent. The scent is okay, but it's just that it's just petrolatum scent. That's my beef with this product. It leaves a nice shine, but also still like that balmy looking shine, not so much of that glossy looking shine for sure. It feels nice, of course, but as I mentioned, petrolatum on its own doesn't do much. Better than nothing for sure. If you want to get the best result, you should apply something before you apply any petrolatum ingredient. Packaging wise, it's okay, it's pretty general, but I think if you're looking for a lip product, you want something to help your dry lips, this is definitely not it. Not this tube one for sure. Just get the stick one. I highly recommend the stick one. The stick one is actually really good. I would have been okay, completely okay, if they would have sold this without the perfume, pretty much like just pure petrolatum in like a tube form. I would have been completely okay. I'd have no problems with it. This stick one definitely has stuff that can help to heal and moisturize your lips. For whatever reason, just don't get the tube one. I love Vaseline very much, but seriously guys, just don't come up with something like this. It's ridiculous. Okay, so yeah, that's my thought of the Vaseline Lip Therapy product. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until